It's a little video.
Yeah.
Oh, heaven. It's a small one.
Yeah.
How much is left on it?
Dad the man. Fixes anything.
Sounds like me you made a super
He's gone mad with the video camera again.
Yeah, but is he any good?
Oh yeah, after that, he said it was all right.
He tried recording the junior football last week in a hailstorm.
Imagine what it was like.
Like Maxie Bowen and Tommy Schaefer and I are cleaning out Tommy's steam shed on after Christmas. And Max said there's tons of bloody good stuff in there. Tom said they'll never use it. If you may well have it.
Still Seymour gets to it, eh?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
There's a set of springs there for off the louver too that the bloke from the spring shop said it out. Bloke give me a gadget. And I said, you'll have to tell me what it's for because I would never bloody clue. And it looks like a little garden fork with all these tines coming over like this. It's about this long, they've got a handle on it. I said, what the hell would that be for? It's for cleaning the mesh on the bloody spark arresters.
Oh.
You run it down the mesh and it cleans the mesh.
I can sympathise with it, I know what it's like.
I just found out that you, and I'll have a look at that check line up there too. You're going to take the stud down through the You're too close to him, see?
No, I'm not.
I don't know whether I stopped it, but just pulling it out and bloody cleaning it, see? Excuse me, you're too close, mate.
Wait, close up.
Don't. That'll be... There's the problem. I found this one already. See? I can only tell when we're down a certain level, like.
We had a couple of hundred kids from Riddles Creek last Monday.
Well, they come up, did they?
172.
Two kookaburras. Geez, they're ugly, aren't they? Only joking, Mum.
I was talking to Graham. My father was calling on all your ancestry very, very loudly. I will in a few minutes, Douglas. Yeah, one's out of that enrollment. They just told Bill Nabs they'd fix it before we were ready to go out. Pardon? Have they already? They've repaired that, have they?
Rough as gut. It doesn't look like it's finished. You get too much being welding up there without the wrong people.
Oh, I'm on bloody video here.
Here we are.
Yeah, you're working for them.
Video, no?
We don't want too many numbers.
I don't think there's any hope in the world of running them down with that guy nut.
We don't.
I think it'd be sending a man, employing a man to.
Can't even get a turn.
Maybe go demos and things like that.
Demos, training, making training videos.
Alright, now is there any more?
Just make our own training videos up, getting them on the outer edge. Bit of fun. Film from Sheila's walking past.
No, there was a real bad one there with the fly across.
So far it hasn't done us a good little thing.
Just got it with the outfield with flying stuff.
No, that far was
Yes?
all right.
Yeah. We're going to lend it to.
See what you reckon. It's even tight on the thread.
Yeah.
Poor old scrub. With the angle grinder now. You can turn the welder off for a minute, fellas, please.
Smile, Dad.
Exactly the prototype for the aircraft.